Hey there. I released my first book last Friday using Book Bounty for the first time. So the points started immediately, 3 different types of bounties, but not okay. So I wouldn't use Book Bounty for ebooks at all. And 3 different types of bounties. I would definitely not use anything like if I like you put a gun to my head and say, hey, you have to use Book Bounty for an ebook. I'm only doing verified purchase at the highest price possible. Okay. Other than that, I use Book Bounty currently for paperback books. I don't use it for anything else. I like it went through too much stuff. Too many people know about it who are willing to take advantage of it and ruin it for everybody who wants to use it properly. So we have to use it at the like I use it at like what's the hardest, the highest cost for somebody to get a review for the book now. It's like to buy the paperback book, let it get shipped to their house, and then for them to read it, take a picture, video, whatever, and put that up with their Amazon review. That requires so much more work. All the lazy ass people who just scam the system and fuck it all up for everybody, they ain't gonna do that shit, right? Because it's just not in their nature to do hard work. And so that's gonna keep the people reviewing my books. I know they're serious people and I know they're doing the job correctly. So it just keeps everything safer for me. And that's the only thing I care about.